What's going on, Team Dasaita? Today we're going to do a walkthrough on the installation on a new G13 unit installing on a 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma 2019. This is a plug and play installation and all you need is a 10mm socket. To start off, we want to remove the stock unit. To do this, we're just going to pull on the trim or use the provided tool, undo the 4 screws holding it in place, and unplug everything from the back and set it off to the side. You're going to want to transfer over the red clips as well as the AC vents from the stock trim to the new unit. Next, we need to figure out which harness you need. If you have a 16 to 19 Tacoma, you'll need the harness labeled CB004. For 2020 and up, you'll need the one that's labeled CB047. Make sure the red canvas box is attached to the harness you need. If it's attached to the other one, just go ahead and switch it on over. For step 3, we're going to go and take that harness into the truck and we're going to start attaching the power harness to the OEM connections. When you're done, you should be using 5 of the 8 connectors. You'll still see 3 left over. Next, we're going to grab the auxiliary harness. Now we're going to attach the red and white aux cords to the ones coming from the power harness. Now we're going to find the last harness and we're going to grab the yellow cam-in cable. And we're going to attach that to the yellow cam-VIN cable from the power harness. There are 2 of these cables, so we'll test before we finalize the install to make sure we grab the right one. For the USB adapters, we'll grab the instructions indicated harness, attach it to the OEM plug, and then attach the extended connection cable to the end. Now that we've handled the harnesses, we're going to grab the 4G and GPS antenna, and using the adhesive on the back, we're going to attach them inside the box. For step 8, we're going to put in the double USB and the SIM card adapter somewhere inside the truck, like down the passenger side for easy access. Some people also put it in the glove box, but we'll leave that to your preference. And for the last cable, we're going to put the mic into place and lead the connector back to the rest of the wires. And finally, we're going to take all of these cables and start plugging them into the back of the unit. After the cables are finalized, we'll attach the Wi-Fi antenna at the end. Now, before we push everything into place, we're going to turn on the truck and give it a quick test. I recommend testing the backup camera, steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, radio, and even making a call just to make sure you got it right. And if everything is working okay, you can push it into place, and now you have an OEM looking unit with all the newest features you could want. If you'd like to see a walkthrough on the unit and see the overall interface, you can check out the video in the description.